I think this is the one right there that I fit to show you how to replace. I done the video. But if you look at this, see one side smaller than the other. And just keep this in mind while I'm showing you. The little side will be black. The big one will be a white wire. But you'll see what I'm talking about. Alright, I'm getting started here. I filled of it. It is warm. Take that cover off right there. There's two of these screws. You take them out and it'll pull out. And make sure you like hook a lamp or something up, and make sure that you cut every breaker off until that light goes out, and you double check that too. Alright, I'm just taking the snips and cutting the wires. And that's the ground wire right there. That's the little green screw over on the right hand bottom corner. That's a bare wire there. You'll recognize it. I got this thing in fast motion, y'all. Okay, you got to strip the wires back. You can do it with a razor knife. A lot of times I use a lighter. But alright, I'm putting the ground wire on here. And I want to tell y'all that I was talking about, you know, that little side on electricity. The black is always hot. It ain't like on a car. On a car, everything red is hot, but on electricity, black is hot. And I'm just poking them in them holes there. If you see where I got that drill bit up there on the top right, I'm pointing to that hole. See them 4 holes all the way around? I'm just pushing the wires in there, and they automatically lock. And I had to get the needle nose out. You can do that with needle nose. It will make things a little easier to push in. And you basically done. You know, put it back like it was, and you ready to go.